Good morning, children. This is our English language class. Today we are going to read chapter 2 of your workbook, Wind Chimes Workbook. So open your book at page number 11. Follow your book, children. Read this passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. So first we are going to read the given passage and understand, and then we will solve the given questions. Penguins. So children, in this chapter we will know some interesting facts about penguins. So let's read the chapter. Penguins are birds with black and white feathers and a funny walk. Penguins spend much of their time underwater, searching for food in the ocean. When they are in the water, they dive and flap their wings. It looks just like they are flying. So children, penguins are birds with black and white feathers, and penguins spend most of their time underwater, and underwater they search food. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, the only time penguins fly is when they jump out of the water. Penguins will often do this to get some air before diving back down for fish. So generally penguins do not fly, but they fly only when they want to get some air before diving again. Penguins cannot breathe underwater. That's why they fly to get some air. Okay. Though they are able to hold their breath for a long time. Penguins mostly eat fish. A penguin's beak has a hook at the end which helps it to catch fish. Penguins drink salt water. As soon as the mother penguin lays its egg, it dashes out for dinner, leaving the male to watch the nest. When the female returns, it's the male's turn to go looking for food, leaving the female with the eggs. So children, after laying eggs, mother penguin look for dinner, and when she returns, then it's time for the male penguin to look for food. When the chick hatches, that means when the baby penguins come out from eggs, it immediately starts calling so that its parents will learn to recognize its voice. So children, we have come to know many interesting unknown facts about penguins in this paragraph. तो देखो बच्चों, इसमें पेंगुइन के बारे में हम लोगों ने क्या क्या जाना है एक बार समराइज़ कर लेते हैं। पेंगुइन्स जो है वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट फेदर्स के बर्ड होते हैं, और पेंगुइन वॉक करते हैं जो देखने में फ़नी लगता है। पेंगुइन ज़्यादातर टाइम अंडर वाटर रहते हैं, क्योंकि अंडर वाटर फ़िश खाने के लिए, फ़िश ढूंढने के लिए अंडर वाटर रहते हैं। पर अंडर वाटर में वो लोग ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाते, इसलिए एयर लेने के लिए, ब्रीथ करने के लिए थोड़ा सा फ्लाई करके ऊपर आते हैं, फिर कुछ एयर लेके फिर वो लोग पानी में चले जाते हैं फ़िश ढूंढने। ओके, पेंगुइन फ़िश ही खाते हैं ज़्यादातर, और इसके बिक में हुक जैसा होता है जिससे वो फ़िश पकड़ पाते हैं। और जब एग्स ले करने के बाद मदर पेंगुइन जो है वो खाना ढूंढने निकल जाते हैं, और एग्स का कौन ध्यान रखते हैं? फादर पेंगुइन। ओके, और जब मदर पेंगुइन लौटते हैं फिर फादर पेंगुइन जाते हैं खाना ढूंढ ले, तब एग्स का ध्यान रखते हैं मदर पेंगुइन। और फिर टाइम होता है एग्स हैचिंग का, यानी जब एग से बेबी पेंगुइन्स बाहर आते हैं। तो बाहर आके इट स्टार्ट्स कॉलिंग, तो इसकी वॉइस को पहचानना पेरेंट्स के लिए तब, यानी पेरेंट्स पेंगुइन के लिए तब एक काम होता है कि ये बेबी पेंगुइन्स की वॉइस को पहचाने। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज। Take the correct options to complete these sentences. Penguins flap their wings when they are on land, they are about to jump, they are in the water, they are hungry. Children, you can see this sentence here. When they are in water, they dive and flap their wings. So, the correct option here is when they are in water. They are in water. So, this is number C. Option number C is the correct option. Penguins catch fish with the help of their feet, their wings, their claws, the hook at the end of their beak. We have read this. The correct option is number D, the hook at the end of their beaks. Number 3, as soon as the egg is laid, the mother penguin rushes to look for food. Yes, this one is the correct option. Option number A. Now answer the following questions. Where do penguins spend most of their time? Penguins spend most of their time underwater. Okay, underwater. So you can write the answer yourselves, children. I am just helping you. Penguins, write in this way. Penguins spend most of their time, and then write underwater. Okay, UNDER, underwater, and then put a full stop. Number 2, when do penguins fly? Question number 2, write the answer. Penguins fly, PENGUINS, penguins fly when they jump out of the water, jump out, OUT, of the water to get some air before diving back. Before diving back down. Okay, now question number 3. What do penguins eat? Penguins mostly eat fish. Write the answer. Penguins mostly eat fish. You can write the answer, children. Now, circle the correct spelling. You can see, children, some spellings are given, but one is correct for each number and other two are incorrect. So you have to find out the correct spelling. M-O-U-T-H, M-A-U-T-H, M-O-T-H. You know the spelling of mouth, M-O-U-T-H. So this one is correct. R-A-B-I-T, R-A-B-B-I-T, R-A-B-I-T-T. Can you say which one is correct? Yes, this one is correct. R-A-B-B-I-T. Then S-H-O-E, S-H-U, S-H-O-U. Shoe. This one is correct. Now solve these two remaining. You have to find out the correct spelling and tick it. Write these words in the correct column. Movement word and sound word. So children, here some words are given. Some of these are movement word and some are sound word. So we have to find out the correct word and write in correct column accordingly. Number 1, spin. So look at the word spin. Spin. This is a movement word. So write here spin. Spin is moving in circular motion. That is called spin. Sound word. Now children, next word is hop. Hop is again movement word. Hop means jump. You know, a rabbit hop. Slide. Slide. Next word is slide. This is again movement word. So write here S-L-I-D-E. Next word is fizz. Fizz. This is sound word. Write here fizz. This is one kind of hissing sound or sound of bubbles like, okay. Next, splash. This is again sound word. Right here. This is sound made by something falling into water, liquid like water, etc. S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash. Next word, whir. This is also a sound word. Right here. W-H-I-R-R. Next, sweep. This is movement word. S-W-E-E-P. Sweep means move swiftly and smoothly. Okay. Scream. Scream is loud sound. Sound of pain. So this is sound word right here in this column. S-C-R-E-A-M. Next one is crackle. This is also sharp noise. So this is sound word. Crackle. C-R-A-C-K-L-E. Now next one is boom. This is also loud deep sound. Sleep. Movement. Point. Also movement. So children, in this way complete up to this number B. In our next class we will complete the remaining part of this exercise. Okay. Read the paragraph again and write the question answers in given space. Thank you.